Hey everyone, what's up and welcome. Today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of off-road vehicles with an ultimate list of the coolest, most capable machines you absolutely need to see. These beasts are engineered to dominate any terrain, from rocky mountains to sandy deserts, taking your adventures to a whole new level. So buckle up, because we're about to explore some incredible vehicles that will leave you itching for your next off-road experience. Let's get started. First up, we have the 2024 Beast Mode by Storyteller Overland. This isn't just your average off-road van, it's a masterpiece of craftsmanship and engineering, built for the ultimate adventure seeker. Storyteller Overland is known for their incredible attention to detail. The Beast Mode is a culmination of that passion. It's available in two models, the Vandit on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and the Van Torino on the Ford Transit platform. Both models are packed with jaw-dropping features. One of the coolest things about the Beast Mode is its flexible floor plan. You can customize it to fit your exact needs. The climate control system can handle anything from scorching deserts to freezing mountain passes. They put the Beast Mode through rigorous testing in extreme environments. One of my favorites is the optional solar panel system. The Beast Mode has tons of storage, both inside and out. Every inch of this vehicle has been crafted with care and precision. The team at Storyteller Overland poured their hearts and souls into this project. Overall, the 2024 Beast Mode by Storyteller Overland is a remarkable achievement in off-road vehicle design. It's packed with innovative features and boasts incredible capability. Whether you're an experienced adventurer or just starting out, this vehicle is sure to take your breath away. It's a beast in every sense of the word. Now let's shift gears and talk about a vehicle designed for serious off-road expeditions, the SEVERTRUCKS Profi. This beast is in a league of its own when it comes to capability and functionality. The Profi is designed to carry it all, accommodating a large group of passengers and all their gear, no matter how remote the destination. It's like a luxury apartment on wheels that can conquer mountains, deserts, and everything in between. The Profi's incredible cross-country ability is thanks to its powerful engine and robust components. Under the hood, you'll find a range of engine options, each one more powerful than the last. These engines are designed for both performance and reliability, ensuring you'll reach your destination no matter how challenging the journey. The Profi also boasts a sophisticated suspension system that soaks up bumps and keeps the ride comfortable, even on rugged terrain. The real beauty of the Profi lies in its versatility. This vehicle can be customized to fit a wide range of needs, whether you're planning a cross-continent expedition or need a reliable workhorse for a remote job site. It's not just a vehicle, it's a blank canvas upon which you can build your dream off-road machine. And that's what sets it apart. It's a vehicle that can be tailored to your exact specifications. Whether you're an adventurer or a professional, the Profi is designed to meet your needs. It's a vehicle that offers unparalleled capability and versatility, and that's a beautiful thing. For deep backcountry adventures, look no further than the Polaris XPEDITION ADV. This machine is built to take you further than ever before. Customize it to handle any terrain or challenge. Built for off-road domination with a robust chassis and powerful engine. Conquer steep climbs and technical obstacles with ease. Packed with technology to enhance your off-road experience. Impressive ground clearance and suspension for demanding trails. Ample storage and comfortable seating for all your gear. Built for those who crave adventure and demand the best. Now let's talk about a vehicle that challenges the perception of what an off-road vehicle can be. The Nissan Ariya E4 Urs. This all-electric SUV proves you don't have to sacrifice capability when embracing electric power. At the heart of this impressive machine lies Nissan's innovative E4 Urs technology. This advanced all-wheel drive system utilizes two electric motors to provide unparalleled traction and control. The E4 Urs system constantly analyzes road conditions and adjusts power delivery to each wheel for maximum grip and stability. With its impressive battery capacity, the Ariya E4 Urs offers a substantial driving range on a single charge, allowing you to explore further without range anxiety. The Ariya E4 Urs supports both standard and fast charging options, making it easy to top off your battery and get back on the road. The instant torque provided by the electric motors delivers exhilarating acceleration, allowing this SUV to hold its own against gas-powered counterparts. The Ariya E4 Urs seamlessly blends off-road prowess with everyday practicality. With its spacious interior, advanced technology features, and comfortable ride, the Ariya E4 Urs is a true all-rounder. It's an SUV that's just as comfortable navigating city streets as it is exploring remote trails. The Nissan Ariya E4 Orc is a game-changer in the world of off-road vehicles, proving that electric powertrains can deliver both performance and capability. It's a testament to the future of off-road exploration. Let's talk about a vehicle that's synonymous with off-road expeditions. The Unimog U300 Expedition Truck. This is the kind of vehicle that dreams are made of, a go-anywhere, do-anything machine built to conquer the world. This Unimog U300 is a fully equipped expedition vehicle ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful engine that's been fully serviced and is ready to tackle any challenge. This Unimog features a custom-built living space that's as luxurious as it is durable. Inside, you'll find everything you need to live comfortably on the road, from a fully equipped kitchen to a spacious sleeping area. The Unimog U300's portal axles, locking differentials, and massive ground clearance allow it to conquer obstacles that would stop other vehicles in their tracks. Its robust construction and legendary reliability ensure that this Unimog will get you there and back again, no matter how challenging the journey. The Unimog U300 also offers a level of comfort and convenience that's unmatched in the world of expedition vehicles. From its air ride suspension to its climate control system, this truck is designed to keep you comfortable and relaxed. Whether you're traversing mountains, deserts, or everything in between, the Unimog U300 is built to handle it all. It's a vehicle that combines capability with comfort, making it the ultimate expedition truck. The Unimog U300 is a true icon of off-road exploration. Now let's talk about a vehicle designed for the most extreme environments on Earth, the Kamaz Arctic. This all-terrain 6x6 beast is built to handle conditions that would make other vehicles crumble. The Kamaz Arctic is built for durability, designed to withstand temperatures that would freeze other engines solid and traverse terrain that would leave other vehicles stuck. Its 6x6 configuration, high ground clearance, and massive tires allow it to navigate obstacles that would seem insurmountable to other vehicles. The Kamaz Arctic offers unparalleled capability and durability at a price point significantly lower than its competitors. Its robust construction and simple yet effective design ensure that this vehicle can withstand years of abuse in the harshest environments. With its wide availability of parts and relatively straightforward mechanics, maintaining a Kamaz Arctic is easier and more affordable than you might think. Whether you're a seasoned Arctic explorer, a scientist conducting research in remote locations, or simply an adventurer looking for the ultimate off-road challenge, the Kamaz Arctic deserves serious consideration. It's a vehicle that offers unparalleled capability and durability. The Kamaz Arctic is built to last, making it a force to be reckoned with in extreme off-road exploration. It's a testament to Russian engineering and a game-changer in the world of extreme off-road vehicles. The Kamaz Arctic is a vehicle that can handle the most demanding expeditions. It's a machine built for the ultimate off-road challenge. Finally, let's step back in time and talk about a vehicle that's as unique as it is capable, the Snowtrack. This Swedish-built machine, with its distinctive design and fascinating history, is a true icon of snow travel. The Snowtrack was born out of necessity in the snowy landscapes of Sweden, where traditional vehicles struggled to navigate deep snow and challenging terrain. A visionary Swedish inventor created the Snowtrack to conquer the snow. Despite its unconventional appearance, the Snowtrack was surprisingly easy to drive. Its lightweight design and responsive controls made it accessible to even those without prior experience driving tracked vehicles. The Snowtrack was built to be reliable and easy to maintain, with a simple yet effective mechanical design. It gained a reputation for being fun to drive, making it a popular choice for recreational activities. Today, the Snowtrack is a sought-after collector's item, a testament to its unique design and enduring appeal. The Snowtrack's legacy lives on, inspiring modern snow vehicle designs. It's a vehicle that captures the imagination and reminds us of the power of innovative design. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below letting us know which vehicle you'd love to take on your next adventure. Until next time, keep exploring.